Hello and welcome all wonderful women from Stripe. I'm Chef Charlie Ray. Enjoy a delicious, healthy, decadent, vegan dessert together. Cheers! So we're gonna get this started, and then I'm adding a little bit extra, and then just into your saucepan.
Yes.
I have a challenge for you all.
Yes, Chef.
Yes, very quickly.
Singapore 20% expat. How much again?
I like the mug. Yeah, that looks good.
I put mine in a cupcake.
See how?
Like flatten it out.
Because then it's not going to be in the last step. Vegan Michelin star. I don't know if people say that, but
That's okay.
who do we have left?
I'm in Sydney. I grew up in Sydney.
That is amazing. Awesome.
I hope I pronounced it correctly.
I don't have ingredients today, but I hope to
You guys know each other really well.
Insane.
impressive.
Take
That's
it
one thing I played at the poll.
It was nice
Charlie,
meeting you
thank you.
guys.
Bye, y'all.